guys, morning. Well, actually, it's afternoon. Lol. It's time to check out, and I am going to say, let me give a hotel review first. This hotel is very nice. Like, my friend put me on, like I said, location-wise. For what I did, I'm not gonna lie, it's far out, but like I said, cabs are very cheap here. Like, literally a 20-minute journey was like £4. So yeah, it's not too bad. But I'm gonna walk around Old Town today, which is literally like a minute away from where I am. So in terms of location, I would say it is probably like a 10 out of 10, maybe 9 out of 10. In terms of the room and the amenities, I liked my room. The only downside, like I said yesterday, is that you can hear the club. And if you're like a light sleeper, that can be very annoying. And I don't know if it's this room specifically or just this hotel, but like you can literally hear everything. Like, there's random sounds that will just go off in the middle of the night, so that's off-putting. Outside of that, the customer service was decent. I didn't really need to engage with people that much, so I hadn't. They don't have a luggage store, but they have like lockers that you can put your stuff in. So I think that's just part of the whole like quick traveller vibe that this hotel is giving. It's nice, neat and tidy. Could be a bit cleaner in certain areas, but outside of that, it was decent. They don't have a safe. That's my one and only like bugbear. They don't have a safe in the rooms, which I think is just a little bit annoying, because I'm like, do I bring my passport with me? Do I not? I didn't, just in case I got kidnapped. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. I'd give it overall, I'd give it like an 8 out of 10, maybe like 7.5, 8 out of 10, deeetourrs rating. But it's been nice, and then today I'm kind of just winging it. I think I'm gonna go to the Bangkok cafe in a second, and then I might just go to a shisha lounge. I haven't really decided yet. If I do end up not having anything to do, because I'm not really in the mood to do sightseeing or like museums like I usually am, like I just want to chill. So if anything, I might just make my way to the airport early and then just like get on with some content in the meantime. But yeah, I've had a time. So far, I would give Romania. I think because I've come by myself, I can't give it too high a score. But like, I have enjoyed this whole solo vibe. Like, I most definitely will do it again. I'll probably just do it in a country where I feel a little bit more safe. Like I said, where like black people are more accepted and being a woman is not so bad and not so stared at. But I'm very proud of myself that my first solo trip was in Eastern Europe and Romania at that. But yeah, I'm gonna head on out now and I will be back with you guys. I'll take you guys on the journey, obviously, and yeah, we will reconvene very soon. Hopefully the food at the cafe is nice, and yeah, so I'll take you along with me and we'll go from there. We're in Old Town. It looks like an old town, I'll be real. This was literally like a 1-minute walk from my hotel. You'd love to see. Oh, I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. People are screaming that it's too sunny. Live a little. Guys, these lovely Canadian girls that I just met, they gave me a Polaroid of myself. How sweet. Pretty cute. I like it. This place is nice, as you guys have probably seen. Guys, they don't have anything. I've asked for a flipping raspberry daiquiri, they don't have that. Then they don't have cosmopolitan, not that I wanted that. Then they don't have a caipirinha, which is my second option, so now I'm going for wine. I mean, I'm not being ungrateful, but it's literally 1 o'clock. How have you run out of everything? What's happening here? As long as they say they haven't run out of pancakes, I'm good. I'm okay with that. I can work with that. Right, let's taste this. Now this tastes fruity. This smells fruity, should I say. I don't like that. Oh. Very alcoholic, as you can see. The alcohol is literally sticking to the glass. I don't like that though. I don't like that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna have to serve this one. Boy, it's a big glass though. What the hell? This glass was like £7. Oh God, cheers. Click, click. Bro, you'd think I'd ordered a fruit salad. Like, where is the pancake? Where is the pancake? And why is it in this, like, bowl? What's happening? What's happening? I'm not gonna lie. That's gotta go. I'll eat that. The oranges is given, I made this at home. And, well, let's give it a taste test. Because I don't eat melon, so that's already ruining it for me. Who ever puts melon on a pancake? What's happening? What's happening? Guys, I'm not sure about this. I'm not convinced. I'm really not convinced. Oh, we got to the pancakes finally. The pancakes look nice. I'll give it. Oh, it's one pancake, one massive pancake. Okay, get some fruit on there. They even put apples in here. What's happening? And a plum. But the pancake is nice. Nice, fluffy, succulent. Can you have a succulent pancake? I don't know, but the pancake is nice. Hey guys, I absolutely demolished that. It was very, very nice. That was the best pancake I've actually ever had. Like, it was so fluffy. I don't want to panic, but I'm panicking. It's not open. No, I'm not panicking, but I'm panicking. I'm not panicking, but I'm panicking. I forgot what this place is called, but yeah. Guys, I'm not at the shisha spot. It seems really cool here. It's quiet, but there's a few weirdos. But yeah, got my little cocktail, a shisha. I'm gonna see how both taste in a second. Basically, I got this shisha for a tenner instead of £42 yesterday, so I'm very glad I didn't do that. God does everything for a reason. I've got my passion fruit caipirinha. Alcoholic F. There's a sugar at the bottom, which obviously a caipirinha has, but when you drink it out of a straw, it's just sugar. Let's taste some shisha. It's not bad. The two of them together. I can taste the mango. This is mango and passion fruit. I can taste the mango, can't taste the passion fruit. But it might be that it's new. Not too sure. But yeah, I'm gonna chill here for a bit and then that's out. Yeah guys, I never even told you about Van Gogh Cafe. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Pancakes were banging. The food was calm. It was cheap. I spent like less than £20 there. I just got locked in the toilet. I was not happy with that. Like, I'm claustrophobic, Darren. I was not happy about that. But it's a nice little vibe. They've got like loads of pictures and they follow through with the theme. You know me, I'm a details babe, so I was here for that. But yeah, so far this day's been good. I'm glad I've winged it as well. Very much not on the whole plan this time. So yeah. One thing I must say I like about Romania is how chill it is. Like, it's just calm. Like, I've got another rosé. Let's see how nice this one is. Now this is something I can get behind, and it was only like a £5. Now this, cheers to that. I can get behind that. But yeah, it's so calm. Like, people are just sleeping here, chilling. It's a vibe, very much a vibe. So guys, just like that, holiday is done and dusted. Bucharest, Romania, another one on the list, and that is actually 24 countries in 24 years. Wow, I'm very proud of myself. But we're gonna make it 25 by the end of the year. 25 before 25. I've had a time, actually. I'm like, to think back on it, I've actually had a good time. I'm glad that I came, and I'm glad I can say that I've solo traveled to Romania by myself. Like, I mean, that is what solo travel is, but you get me. Like, on a solo traveler vibe, I would say definitely keep in touch with family and friends. Like, make sure they know where you are at all times. Like, give your location out to them, share your boat rides or whatever you may, like taxi rides with them if you can, like share your location. I also like would call my friends and be like, I'm gonna meet you in like 10 minutes, yeah? And my friends got it, like they got it. They fulfilled the assignment. They'd be like, yeah, do you want me to send you the menu? Da, 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 da. So they really understood. I would say definitely, like, if you're gonna make reservations, I didn't do this, but I think in future, in hindsight, I would do it. Book for 2, just so it's like, if you do end up getting there, you could be like, oh yeah, one person was sick, but at least if you book for 2, they know that you're with someone, whereas if you book for 1, they know you're on your own. I just had a time, it was good. I'm not gonna lie though, no one talks about like being a solo traveler and needing to go to the toilet. Like, I'm not gonna leave my drinks unattended, but then I'm also not gonna ask someone to like be like, unless I know them like that, I'm not gonna be like, do you mind looking after my stuff? So then it's like, what? I have to wait. And I needed to go today and I just had to wait. That's the tea. So that's like probably the downside of solo traveling, but I've really enjoyed spending time with myself, engaging. I would say don't be shy, like be confident. If you're gonna take content, like record content, or like just want to take pictures of yourself and stuff, maybe ask someone before and then get your picture taken after, like in return. I would say like walk with confidence when you're walking around, especially so people don't feel like, oh, she's a target. I definitely, even if I didn't know where I was going, I was walking with confidence. You could not trouble me, trust and believe. Also, yeah, I acted like I was married. Sorry, what? Like I said, my friends and family got it. If I was calling them, they knew what to say. I think when people ask, are you alone? I'm like, no, I'm going to meet someone. I was always going to meet someone 10 minutes away, okay? I was always going to meet someone. No one's gonna have me kidnapped. I refuse. And yeah, I would say like, also with the bill here, if you ask for the bill, know how much you spent, because once they bring the bill, they bring in the card machine. So don't be trying to look at the bill and calculating the big numbers. It's not gonna work. So just keep a tally of what you're spending. But with that said, the cash here is cheap. Like, I literally have not spent more than £30 in any venue that I've been to. Dinner last night was like £30 max, and that was for like a meal and a drink. And that was like a bougie spot. Today I spent like £40 for my meal, 2 glasses of wine, a cocktail and shisha. So that was even like better. It's just very like cost effective. I would definitely come back, but I'd probably like, you do not need to stay longer than 2 days here. I'm telling you, there's like things to do, but there's not much to do. And unless you're like coming for a specific reason, like the spa or like to visit people, you don't really need to be here. So I would definitely advise. But yeah, guys, I'm very, very proud of myself as well for coming to Romania on my first proper solo trip. Like, no one does that. All my friends are like, who goes to Romania? Who goes to Romania? Especially by themselves as a black woman. Guys, a young black woman at that. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself, and I will definitely be doing solo travel again very, very soon. I think I might go for like a beach one this time. Maybe like a Lisbon or like Marrakesh. Oh, I don't know about Marrakesh solo, but I mean, I've done Romania, so anything's possible now. Yeah, I've had a time. I'd give it like a detours rating overall, like an 8 out of 10. Some places have been really, really nice. Like today was probably my favorite day. It's been so chill, and I've just enjoyed spending time with myself. And I think now that might actually be the vibe. I might go on so many more solo trips. I think just because it's so cheap here, it just uplifts it a little bit more as well. Some people have been really nice, some people haven't. So it's a mixed bag, but I would definitely come back for the spa because I need to get that water park back in blood. What the hell? I paid for that. So yeah. But guys, I'm so proud of myself, and I hope you've enjoyed as much as I have. Bucharest, Romania will go down in history. Yeah, I'm gassed. Like, I'm literally gassed. Wait till the next one, because the next one, is another big one. Yeah, but yeah, keep an eye out. Make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent, and I will be. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with the next vlog or video very, very soon. Detours to the world, I'm back.